Hey everybody, good evening. It's February in 2018 and I'm redoing my intro video because the last one is a few years old. And things have changed with me, with my, with the channel and with things I do and the facial hair. I was a baby face back when that was done. Ouch. Mango's gotta get up here. This is Mango. If you haven't been, there we go. No. There's Mango. He's one of 3 cats we have, and he's the one that always wants to be center of attention. So anyway, this channel is about me and things I like and things I do. It's not specific. Like I do have another channel that's on just hydroponics and gardening. I haven't really even updated that channel for a couple years because I haven't done hydroponics in a couple years. But if you've been watching recently, you see that I'm now doing aquaponics in gardening. And so you're going to see quite a few videos of aquaponics. Sorry, Mango wants to get in my lap, and I'd rather he not. He's just going to claw me up. So you'll see videos of me in aquaponics, gardening, rain collection. I used to be a photographer. I used to be an engineer one time, and then I quit that and became a full-time photographer. Had my own studio for many years, over 10 years. And then I just, decided to retire from that recently for various reasons. And closed down the studio. And now I'm a full-time eBay, Amazon reseller. And I also do t-shirt designs through merch and on my own website. I do vinyl decal designs. So you may see videos on any of those subjects. You know, eBay hauls, tips and tricks on merch and Printful, Illustrator. So I encourage you to subscribe if you want to follow along. Just don't look at the videos you are not interested in, and watch the ones you are. You may occasionally see some videos on health related. A lot of people know they've been watching me for many years, as I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia a few years ago. And I've had that for many years, apparently. And I had general anxiety disorder, which is pretty much under control now. And then recently, I've been diagnosed empirically for mitochondrial disease. I don't know how to pronounce it. Mitochondrial myopathy. They're treating it as I have that until I decide, or they decide, yeah, let's go ahead and cut you up and do biopsy on your muscle tissue, which I'm not looking forward to. But so I might do a few videos on any one of those subjects, you know. So that's me. That's me in a nutshell. Those are the things I like doing, and I shoot videos of all the time. You will see lots of cats. Well, that's your cue, Mango. Now he doesn't want it up. And we have a couple others that are floating around. So I encourage you, if you are interested in any of those things, to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little... Mango, that hurts. Hit the little bell so you'll get an alert when I do a new video. And again, if you're not interested in eBay, but you're interested in the fishies and the gardening, you just don't have to watch those ones. Or maybe you will, and maybe you'll learn something that you never knew before. But I'm rambling on, and this shouldn't be a long video. It's just saying, hi, my name is Jeff, and this is what I do, and this is my channel. So like, subscribe, and comment often, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya.